I'm in the conference room and it's jungle time. It's jungle time with a princess. I have my own princess. But look at my plants. But what I'm really here for is this. I am going to tie with these mother of pearl buttons. I have thread, I have a curved needle, and that's just what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put you on speedy up and I will come back when it's done. Okay, 16 buttons later, several pricked thumbs. This did not work. It's too rusty and too big. So I just used a straight needle, and this is vintage. That's what I used. So I want to show you the back. Buttons. This is the back. And I used flannel as the batting. So now I will take it home and put the binding on it. So it's literally like 9 months later and I'm finally ready to start binding this quilt. So this fabric is pretty thick. So I cut, instead of 3-inch strips, I've cut 2.5 inch, and I'm going to fold this like this. I'm going to sew on this edge and then bring this around. So I'm not going to be fanatical, just going to eyeball it. I think in the end it doesn't really matter. It might. You know, on this part of the quilt, I guess precision counts for something. I don't know if I'm going to do one continuous strip or if I'm going to do side, side, you know, top, bottom, side, side. I guess when I get it pinned on, I will decide, because I can always change my mind at that point. Because a mitered corner might look really good. But can you do a mitered corner with this type of fold? I'm sure you can. It's just I never have. So I'll let you know when I get to that point. Okay, I've got the binding sewed on. And I did go ahead and miter the corners so that when everything is folded back and sewed down, they'll look something like that. Only more better. Trust me, I'm a semi-professional. Now I'm going to trim like this all the way around. I'm going to thread some needles in a color close to this and hand stitch it down whilst listening to an audio book. Okay, it's finished. I had to come outside because I don't have anywhere inside to show. So there's the mitered corners. I don't have a size on this yet either. Maybe I'll get it when I go in. But I'm glad to say that that is done. Finished. Finite. Fin. El fin. What a ride.